Morning everybody. I'm at the airport this morning and I'm sick and it sucks, and it's like 70 degrees today in Seattle. It's beautiful. Tomorrow's supposed to be 80 and I'm going to New York where it's just gonna be like cloudy and rainy, and like that sucks so bad. But whatever, I'm excited to go to New York as well. I took NyQuil last night because I'm sick, and I woke up this morning just still feeling so extremely out of it from it, and I'm still like trying to, I don't know, like sober up from it. It's like, and I took like a totally normal dosage. Like I should be going to Idaho right now because I look like a potato. You guys know the meme thing that's like, if you can't handle me at my worst, you don't deserve me at my best. I'm like at my worst right now. Just waiting for my flight to board. So I'm going to the World of Kiehls event with Kiehls. They're a skincare brand. A couple months back, I went to an event at one of their stores and got some of their products, and I really like them. I've been using them ever since, and now they're flying me to New York to learn more about their stuff. I'm really excited because Shelby's going and Janine's going, and so we all get to hang out. Got this ginger shot. I've heard some people say they love flying into a new city or just a city at night because then when they wake up, they get to like see it for the first time. I hate that. I want to see it during the day, get a lay of the land. Coming into an airport at night and being somewhere new and having to find out where to go at night, just a little bit creepy to me. I'm not a fan, but that's what I'm doing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newark City Airport. Local time is 8 o'clock. We will be taxiing for the next 15 minutes.
I've gotten to my hotel. This hotel is one of the coolest hotels I've ever stayed at. I stayed in it like 3 or 4 years ago. I guess it was like a solid 3 years ago. When I was on Good Morning America, they booked this hotel for me, and it's super nice. So you use a wood chip. It's very eco-friendly. Why is nothing working? Why? Guys, it's been a long day and I'm not. Take two, I got into the room, but I can't do the classic like open the door thing because the key wasn't working, so some guy just opened it with the master key. But I'm really excited. I always see bloggers and vloggers and whatever go into hotel rooms, and the brand that they're with sets up all these products and it looks really cool. And I've done a lot of things with brands, but I haven't done it when they like set it up like all really cool until this time. Take it to the water, yeah. Get up, jump into the water. I'll show you really quick the room. So right when you walk in, there's this sink. It's kind of like industrial and eco looking, and this like white brick. And then over here is a bed. It's got this nice little nook. It's got like this desk area. Oh, it's so cool. And the bathroom. Oh, this is funny. So this is really pretty marble. It's not very big because obviously we're in New York. Just like that. You can see into this room. So out of love, I won't give it to nobody else. I won't let anybody. All right, let's get into all this Kiehls stuff. I'm so excited. So on the sink, we have liquid hand soap and grapefruit, bath and shower liquid body cleanser. I would smell it and let you guys know how it smells, but I don't really have a sense of smell right now. Amino acid conditioner, amino acid shampoo. Here we've got a little Kiehls eye treatment, soothing hydration mask. I'm about to use that. Daily reviving concentrate, midnight recovery concentrate, creme de corpse, all over body moisturizer, herbal extract toner, and deep foaming cleanser. Wow, I'm so excited to try all these. I'm about to have a little like spa night. It's gonna be nice. And then there's stuff on the bed. So that's pretty cool. There's pillowcases. With this hotel room, you order room service and everything just like on this little phone. On this bedside table, we have sweet almond and vanilla candle. Ooh, that's so cool. Wait, I'm gonna open it. I wonder if you can burn candles in a hotel room. I feel like you can't, and I'm not about to try. I have some slippers. it doesn't stop. Over here, there's an itinerary of everything that we're gonna be doing. All a bunch of fun stuff. Oh, there's an orange. Do you guys know I'm sick? I'm literally about to eat that. Here we have more products. We have soothing treatment water, eye brightening concentrate, line reducing concentrate, and clearly corrective dark spot solution. Room service time. Okay, kale salad. Heck no. Little gem salad, ruby red grapefruit, shaved fennel, radish, avocado, ginger, lime, cilantro dressing. Wow, that sounds like that would be so good with shrimp. Lately, I've been doing a better job of actually staying a little bit more organized, even though my parents probably would not believe me. I just kind of like to unpack my stuff now when I stay at a hotel because I live out of a suitcase too much as it is. I was in such a hurry this morning and I took my clothes out of the dryer when they still needed 20 minutes and they were really dry. Like, they didn't feel damp at all, but they weren't totally dry, and now everything is so wrinkled. It's so bad. Even like this sweatshirt, which never wrinkles. Anyways, I actually got all my stuff pretty organized and hopefully they have an iron. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting like emotional right now. I pretty much just finished editing this vlog of like the weekend in Whistler, which I've been editing all day since I got on the airplane, and now I'm like in the hotel and it's like midnight and I'm still editing it. It's just like, it's been so long since I like just loved editing a video so much and loved making it and just like felt like it really like meant something and like was such a good time. I'm annoying. Okay. It's just been a long time since something just so awesome. I don't know. It's just so... Okay, I used to never be like this. Never, ever, ever. I used to never be like this. Oh my god, I can't believe myself. I don't know if I'll put this on YouTube. Literally, like, tears rolling down my face. Even to this day, like, my friends, Claire and KG, and Adrian, and Ashlyn, and Lindsay, I literally just don't know what I would do without them. I mean, it was the best thing ever. Like, for real, it really was. Why am I... Oh, I'm literally like crying my eyes out. I need to stop. I just really love them all so much. The upload speed at this hotel, I just put this video up to upload. It says 2 minutes remaining, and it's a 10-minute video. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I like to see in 2018. It's midnight. I need to shower and wash my hair and dry it and wake up early. So many ambulances. I always feel bad complaining about an ambulance though, because it means something bad's happening and that's horrible. This is really curly. Alright, I just got my room service. I have like 10 minutes to eat it. So I got a green juice because I'm sick and I need to pound that. And I got basically oatmeal. It's porridge, bananas and stuff. And then I got a coffee that comes in this to-go cup, which is perfect because I'm not gonna have enough time to drink this here. Right, I'm here with Shelby and Janine, and it's like 10 a.m. and we're at the bar, but we're just ordering coffee, honestly.
Starting the day off right with some shots of tequila. I'm just kidding.
Baby, you should know by now that I'm right for you, but every time I step to you, you change your tune. Sweet real love that keeps us holding our breath.
Right now I'm in the first ever Kiehls store, and right here, this is the original storefront. They don't actually use it anymore. You can see people like taking photos out there, but you used to walk in through there. Keep in mind this is literally 160 years old. You'd walk in through there and then you'd come into this store. It looks kind of wooden like this, I assume, and you try out some Kiehls products.
So tell me something new. Take it or leave it.
Okay, so basically all of this morning and afternoon was learning all about Kiehls and all that stuff, which was really cool. I hope you guys were interested in that. And now Janine and Shelby were talking about maybe going shopping because, I mean, when you're in New York, just popped my Invisalign back in. I'm kind of getting to that point in the afternoon where I feel like I'm crashing and I'm just kind of tired, but you know, I either take a nap or I turn it around right now. But now that I shut my eyes, I need to rest them. But I think I need to rest them on this bed, you know? I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna stay awake, stay awake, stay awake. I'm gonna try and edit a little bit. The past month or 2 months or 3 months or whatever, my entire life, I feel like I've really been slacking. I also feel like an idiot talking with my Invisalign in. It's time to turn it around now. No more slacking for me. Okay? Okay. Don't let me do that. We just had dinner and Janine, what are we gonna go do?